What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today I'm bringing you a recipe for thick, buttery, luscious, creamy, and delicious garlic mashed potatoes with fresh garlic in the potatoes and toasted garlic chips on top. These are a garlic lover's dream. I'm gonna show you how to make them, so let's get started. We want to kick things off by salting our water that we're going to be cooking our potatoes in. Now I'm dicing up 5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. These are the perfect potatoes for mashed potatoes. They're going into the boiling water about 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and soft, but not totally falling apart. To that, we're going to grate in some fresh garlic. This is about 5 cloves, and I'm using a microplane grater to get a really fine texture on this garlic. It's going to release a lot of garlicky flavor and the oils directly into those hot potatoes, so it doesn't taste totally raw. I'm also going to add in some cream cheese, some butter, and then some heavy cream. Now you want to whip up your potatoes without over mixing. I like to use a hand mixer. This with the skins on is going to leave you some nice chunks still in the potatoes. Now you do want to make sure to taste them, and you're going to add in salt to taste. This is the point where that happens. You just give it another quick mix at this point with the blender, and it goes directly into a 12-inch cast iron skillet. Now this would be delicious as is, but you know we have to take it to another level. So I'm going to spread out the top of my potatoes, pop it into my preheated smoker. I've got my smoker rolling at 225 degrees. They're going to be in there for about a half hour, 45 minutes. You can push it all the way up to an hour if you really, really like that smoky flavor. Now to top off our potatoes, I'm going to make some crispy garlic chips. So I've sliced several cloves of garlic and butter into a pan. The butter is going to brown, and it's going to toast those little garlic slices. Our mashed potatoes are out of the oven. They already smell garlicky from that fresh garlic that's been in there with these warm mashed potatoes. And it's got these nice goldeny smoky edges on all the ridges from smoothing it out across the top. And finally, we just top them with our toasted garlic slices. These are going to be buttery and crispy and extra garlicky. It's going to add texture and flavor. You can leave some of them whole. I like to crumble them with my fingers a little bit so there's a little bit more variety in the size and texture of those toasted garlic pieces. Oh, those smell so good. And that's it. Super simple, better than a restaurant by far. Old school steakhouse garlic mashed potatoes. The Yukon Gold with the skins on will give you the best consistency, and they're so creamy from that cream cheese and butter and heavy cream. That's a garlic lover's mashed potato. If that is you, you have to make these smoky garlic mashed potatoes. You're gonna love them. They're the perfect side dish for any of your low and slow smoked meats or a beautiful Sunday supper. We'll see you guys next time.